Hello, I'm Jason from the Deeper Network, and we have an exciting new firmware update coming very soon. So first of all, we'd like to thank you for your feedback. With your interaction, we will now introduce some brand new applications to App Relocator in 1.2.11. We will be introducing Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and the Apple ecosystem. Routing the Apple ecosystem is going to be incredibly beneficial for places where FaceTime is banned, like the UAE. And lastly, we've added the ability to limit bandwidth within Access Control List. So once you navigate to Access Control List, you can choose the device and then choose the bandwidth limitation. These are the brand new features that are going to be implemented in 1.2.11, which will release very soon. Make sure that your device is in AutoUpdate and keep an eye on Deeper Network social so that you can be up to date of when 1.2.11 is released.
Deeper Network, of the users, by the users, for the users.